ready now?
There you go. Now keep your wheel straight.
I keep doing that. Southern California kids.
Yeah. That's these SoCals.
Can you come forward again?
What?
Is the engine running? It's not frozen?
Yeah, it's running.
Wow. How do you get all the snow off your window?
With my scraper.
Well, I moved my car from the back alley because I knew I would get stuck in the alley last night to the front, and I'm still stuck, and it's going to take me probably a good 20 minutes to shovel myself out just to get 5 feet, and I will probably get stuck somewhere else.
There we go, buddy.
I'll put you right in the back seat.
Oh no!
It worked.
Here he comes. Okay, go. Gun it. Gun it. Keep coming. Gun it. Gun it. Gun it. There you go. Goodbye.